Yes, it's gonna go down live. It's Countdown Volume 2. DJ Little and DJ East Promotion. We're bringing you the biggest Sagittarius birthday bash ever. Countdown Volume 2. From Nollywood, Camberwell, SE5. We've got exclusive performance from the biggest Sardinian R&B artist right now. Right now I'm chilling with my boy. Yes, Mr. Ricky on the camera is there. I'm here repping tonight. My girl, China Lee One, representing. It's all about a birthday. Happy birthday to you, China. We're there at Pat Plaza Hotel. If you don't know, this is DJ Little representing Countdown Volume 2. Stay tuned. Get that locked onto your diary right now. Countdown Volume 2, Saturday the 13th of December. We're right there. Get your tickets before it's too late.